Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Free Hacking Tutorials. So in this video I'll be going to show you how to use Arogya Setu application. So here is the application. So when you open or run this application for the first time, you need to provide some basic information about yourself and travel history and age, etc. So this application helps people to identify the symptoms and alert them about the best safety precaution and other information related to COVID-19. So you need to enter your mobile number. And here it will ask some questions. You need to provide correct answer. You need to enter your age. If you have traveled outside the country within the 30 days, you have to select the country, or else no. You have to enter if you have any of these symptoms you have, like fever, cough, difficulty in breathing. As you can see here, I'm safe. If you have traveled in some places again, if you want to test or take assessment again, you can take it again by clicking test again. So if you like this video, click on the like button and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching my video.